Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Pankaj. So guys, today we are going to host our Vite plus React app on Netlify. I will show you each and every step you need to know about this. So let's jump into it. So here is my Vite plus React app. Let me show you some of my code and folders. Like here is my all components. Here is my all assets of this project, and here is routing setup, and this is the app.jsx, and this is the main.jsx. So this is my project which is made by using Vite plus React. So after writing your code of your project, so the first thing you have to do, write a npm command in your terminal. You can open your terminal by right here, clicking new terminal. Now you have to type the command npm run build and hit enter. By running this command, this project will create a new folder called dist. Right here you can see. So this folder contain all the HTML, CSS, assets, React file, JS file and everything under one folder. So you need to find this folder in your Explorer. So just right click on it and click on File Explorer, or if you are in Mac, just click on Reveal in Finder. So it will open the project folder right here, and here is my dist folder which I recently created. Now in second step, you have to open your browser and go to Netlify website. You can open it by using Netlify, the first website, netlify.com. You can just click here login or sign up. If you don't have any account, just click on sign up and create a login for this website. If you already have an account, just click on login right here. So after logging, here is your dashboard of your Netlify app. So here is my two recent project which I hosted. Now in second step, you need to click on this button right here, add new site, and just click on deploy manually right here. So after clicking, this interface will come in front of you. You just need to drag and drop your dist folder inside it. So let me drag and drop this folder. So you need to drag and drop this folder dist into your browser. So now here you can see it is uploading to this website. Now here you can see the deploy log just completed. Now click on open production deploy. Just click here. Now here you can see my project is hosted successfully and all the things are working perfectly right here. Now let me show you my project on localhost. Is it looking same or anything different in it? So here is my localhost URL which is currently not working. So let's make it working. Just open your terminal and type npm run dev and hit enter. It will start your Vite app in localhost. So let me go back to my browser and refresh this web page, and here you can see it is exactly looking to the hosted website. Right here you can see everything looks like same. Now here is your URL, public URL basically. So you can send it to anyone which want to access this website. If you want to update this site URL right here to your custom URL, go back to the configuration of this deployment. Now click on site overview. Now click on site configuration right here. Now you have to click on change site name right here. So here is my default name for this application, but I need to change it. So let me change this default name. My project name is set to success. Project URL will be this https set to success.netlify.app. Now just click on save. Now here you can see this is my public URL for this app. Now let me open this URL. Now here you can see the URL of this web page is changed, set to success.netlify.app, and everything looks like fine. Now if you want to update your website later, what you have to do, let me show these things. So here is my localhost server. Let me change this main page to Pankaj page. Now you can see here is my localhost, and you can see right here my changes, Pankaj page. Now you can do any number of changes you want in your website. So after doing all changes, just stop your server and write the npm run build command again and hit enter. Now it will create new dist folder by replacing the old dist folder. Again click on reveal in finder. Here is my dist folder. Now go to Netlify website. Here is your site configuration. If you on your dashboard right here. Just click on the website here and click on deploy. Here you need to drag and drop to deploy right here. Let me show you once. Drag and drop to under deploy heading. Now here you can see my website is updated. Now let me open my website again. Go to site overview and click on URL. Now here you can see the changes is on public URL. So let me repeat all these steps which you have to use to host your Wait plus React app on Netlify. The first thing, you have to run a command, that is npm run build. It will create a dist folder in your directory like this. Now go to your Netlify website dashboard right here and just click on add new site. Again click on manually deploy and drag and drop to your dist folder into website. It will create a public URL of this website. So guys, that's all about it. If you found this video helpful, you can just click on thumbs up or anything like share, subscribe as you want. If you have any questions or doubt, just leave them in comment below. You will find all links or resources in video description. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.